Okay, what's up, guys? This is Mark from the Mark Show, and we have Kathy again. I did one video with her, so let me just give you some. So, Kathy, say hi,
Hi.
and maybe you want to like and subscribe and ask Kathy whatever you want. But so we did a training with Kathy. So I'll explain who Kathy is. Kathy is a friend of mine. I knew her for a couple of years. She goes to what do you go to university? What are you studying?
Industrial engineering.
Okay, so she studies industrial engineering, and she was like, "Hey, I want to learn how to make money. I want to learn how to make money," because she knew like I drop ship for a while or whatever. So I was like, "Okay, I have an extra Facebook account. I'll show you how to find items to sell and blah blah." And we did 1 day of training, like live training. So if you guys want to be part of the live training, comment on the video, like live training. And we did 1 day of live training, and then you list some items, and then you sold something, and like that one item made like $20. We sold more items since then. But when we okay, first of all, why did you ask me? Why did you ask me to show you how to make money?
Because I love money.
Okay, and then when we did the training, what did you think? Like you have no
Okay.
experience in e-commerce,
Yeah.
like yeah,
I had like no idea about anything about this. But I was like, I had nothing to do. First of all, I didn't think it would work. But I was like, I have nothing to do and I'm really bored. Why not?
right.
So I started doing it, and like first day of training, I was like, that's it. It was like super easy. And like for a day, I was just listing items, and wow, my first sale like the next day.
And what so when we went through training, we did like we looked at eBay first, and then what do you remember? Because you're doing it every day, so it
Yeah.
doesn't matter if you don't think. What do you remember? And the reason why I asked you that is because I want people on YouTube to understand that it's not rocket
Okay,
science.
you showed me this like software, FBM Fox, that gets you to know what items are selling on eBay.
Right.
Then we were like searching this eBay item on Google and see
Yeah.
if it was selling on Walmart or Amazon, so that we can grab it from there and put it on Facebook Marketplace.
Right. And then, but did you remember when we did the training? I was like, use the title from eBay on
Yeah,
Facebook. Are you doing that all
because
the time?
eBay already has the title that people is looking for.
Right. But are you doing that every time?
Yeah, most of the time.
Yeah,
But
because
when sometimes Amazon's title is like more simple.
right. But you don't want to use Amazon's title because it doesn't have the keywords, and that's like a big
But
thing,
sometimes it's like the same, almost the same.
really.
Yeah,
And the ones on eBay, and you only take items that sell regularly, right?
yeah.
So
At least like a month ago, but a month is like too much. The most like the least recent sale was like a week ago. You understand?
okay, okay. Right. So every time you list an item, you make sure it's sold like in the last week.
Yeah,
Okay,
at
so
least.
can you share your screen? So let's see. So we could kind of like walk through what we were talking about. So what is this? Is this an item you're gonna sell or you listed it already?
I was looking for it, I think.
Ah, you were listing right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, here is the last one list. The last listings I work.
Okay, so let's do this. Go to Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
And guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, like the video, subscribe, and don't and subscribe for Kathy. They don't like my ugly eye, so like maybe they'll subscribe or like the video because you're in the video.
Yeah.
But go to your sales. Click your sales on the left. So these guys know we're not full of shit. Huh. A couple more items sold that we didn't yeah, a couple more items sold that I didn't even see. So go to orders with delivery on the left. Ah, we shipped those out already. So go back to your sales. And we so on that item that you see that you guys see on YouTube for 177, we the profit on that item is like $20 and a couple cents. So it's more than 10%. So what? So Kathy, go back. What are you doing? So could you just show me on eBay that item, that DeWalt, whatever?
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I see the item and then I go to the times it was sold, and I see February 6th.
Yeah, that's a couple days ago.
Yeah.
Because we're doing this on the 8th.
So I'm going to. I copy this title. Put it in here.
All right, to see if you find it.
Yeah, and here it is, Amazon. And here I need to see if it's shipped by Amazon, but this one is not. This one
Yeah,
is not.
because that okay. So that's one. Okay, so check this. Copy. Go back to the listing. Go back to eBay.
Okay.
Copy the description. Search for the description, not the title. Because if you search for title, there's a lot of drop shippers. Go back. Oh, yeah. Right. So
Well,
if you go to features, I guess, yeah, search for that. No, take off the.
without this.
No, take. Yeah, without that. All right. That's a weird item. Because I not seen it on Amazon or Walmart or anything. Because did you find that item anywhere or no? You just found it on
I
Amazon.
just found it on Amazon with the title, but it was not selling. Like it was out of stock, I think.
Right. Okay. So go back to Facebook and let me see some of the items that you sold already. So guys, if you want us to, so what I do is I train people here in Nicaragua how to like do the research and stuff, and we manage accounts for multiple people. So if you want us to manage, it's called automation, but a lot of people charge like tens of thousands of dollars for automation, but we only charge $3,000. If you have like $5,000 in credit, you can make $100 a day. So go back to your listing, scroll down, look for one of the items. Right, that's one. Stop right there. Stop right. Go back up. Right, that DeWalt heavy duty, whatever. Right, that
Yes.
one. Where's that coming from?
Amazon, I think. Or
Yeah,
no, the title.
and how you found that on eBay? So copy that title and go back on eBay and let me see what it looks like. Yeah, copy the title. I want to
Yeah,
see
this
where you
one's
found
from
it. Yeah.
eBay. These ones from eBay.
Because guys, this is not rocket science. Like Facebook Marketplace dropshipping is something you can do in your spare time. Ah, okay. Ah, this sold a ton.
So like today.
Yeah, this sold a ton. And how much? But how much? What's the price you have it at?
I don't know.
Let me see.
88.
Ah, 88. Okay. So you would have done 25% more than the source.
Yeah.
And that item you listed what, today or yesterday? I saw it on Facebook. But I can't. But that sells a lot.
Yeah, and then you look for it on Amazon. Here. Here it is. And it's shipped and delivered
And it's $70.
by Amazon.com. Yeah.
Ah, okay. And it ships and $88. If you sell it for 88 and Amazon charge it, Facebook charge you 5%, so you'll spend like $4. So the profit would be $14. Just from the fact that you listed it first day and I gotta click the first day, I think it would sell. But when the first item sold, what did you think? Like when you're like you made $20. Huh?
I was like pretty surprised because I didn't think it would work, but then it worked, and I was like, oh, I want more.
And then yesterday you listed like 20 items or something, no?
Yeah.
All right. Well, the goal is to get like, if we sell 5 items a day at $20 profit, that's $100 a day. So that's kind of like the goal. So one, because the first day when you listed, you only listed like 8 items and then one sold.
Hmm.
So if you continue that process, like that same first item, that's, huh?
Actually, I did more my first day. I just did it at night.
And how long did it take? You could stop sharing your screen, but how long did it take to that night when you listed like 12, 13 items? How long did it take?
Not that much, maybe an hour, 2 hours.
Really? To list more than 10 items?
No, no, no. Like I yesterday I did like 4 hours in the whole day.
Ah, and that's why you listed like 20 something, like 20 items or something.
Yeah.
So like 4 or 5 items an hour. Right. And you only list items to sell regularly,
So I
right?
did like an hour and I'm like doing something else and so on.
Yeah,
So
but you
maybe
need,
if I'm like in the computer like for the whole time like doing it, it might be like 2 hours.
for 20 items. Okay, wow.
I think so.
Yeah, and then but you and right now you're not gonna like you're on vacation or something, so you have more time.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hopefully we can. I mean, I know it. So far, you're doing really well, and like you made money like the first day, so that's cool as fuck. And you did why? So okay, so if you didn't think it would work, why did you do it? Just because you had extra time?
Because yeah, I had nothing to do. I'm like really bored at home.
Yeah, so that's the thing about drop shipping is like you don't touch anything. And, like I did an interview with this dude that makes like $40,000 a month. Right before we had this call, and he said the same thing. He's like, you just click buttons and you make money. You know what I mean? So guys, if I was telling Kathy she should start a YouTube channel. So if you think she should start a YouTube channel, comment on the video and say YouTube. But yeah, you have any questions or you'll continue just doing what you're doing and see what happens.
Yeah, I think I'm okay.
All right, sweet. So guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will continue doing videos with Kathy. Anything you want to tell people on YouTube, Kathy?
Like this video and subscribe to the channel.
So all right guys, have a good one. Let me know what you think. If you want us to manage your account, let me know in the comment section, and peace.